back to my channel, that is Scout with Shweta. I am continuously exploring things for you so that you can check out more and more explorable things, new things around you, and the things which make you have fun as well. So I am really sorry for being quite inactive for last few months. As you all know that pandemic hai, and people are not preferring to go outside the house. So even I'm trying to make a small and a bit educational video for everyone, because मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि हम लोग घर पर बैठ के आजकल क्या कर रहे हैं. We are just scrolling down the internet, we just go and watch reels. So कुछ ऐसे influencers है जिनके मैंने IGTV videos देखे which was not acceptable, because मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि if you are an influencer, आपको you should be motivational to other people and you should give the details which are accurate. अगर आप डिग्रेडिंग वीडियोस बनाओगे या फिर कुछ ऐसा बोलोगे जो बाकी लोगों को हर्ट कर जाए, आई अंडरस्टैंड कि आपके लिए हेटर्स भी होंगे एंड देयर विल बी अ लॉट ऑफ फैन फॉलोइंग्स एज वेल. सो इवन इफ यू गेट 200 likes and you have like more than 200k views, that means a lot of people are watching you. आपको ऐसी कोई भी बात नहीं करनी चाहिए जो completely insane हो. So I'm gonna share a bit of it and I will like to educate that person. I am not going to take the name of that person, but I am sure most of us will come to know and they all will agree with what I am saying. So मैंने जब वो IGTV video देखा, so that influencer is a tomboy and उनके accordingly उनको बहुत लोग इस तरह से कहते हैं that you're a boy or a girl. Okay, they are asking gender preferences and a lot of questions. I believe I completely agree कि आपको ये सारी चीज़ें बुरी लग रही है and it's an emotional thing for everyone because we don't know कि आपको कैसा feel होता है. We actually do not know कि आप क्या चीज़ें go through कर रहे हो. Is your family supporting you or not? Is your people, those who stay around you, वो आपको support कर रहे हैं या नहीं? So I completely get connected to that feeling. But saying that कि हम सब इंडिया में रहते हैं और इंडियंस जो है वो थोड़े अनएजुकेटेड है एंड जो आपके हेटर्स है आप उनको बोलते हो कि मुझे तो उनके परवरिश पर बुरा लग रहा है, किस तरह की परवरिश दी होगी उनके पेरेंट्स ने. Come on, is this the way you talk to someone?
कौन है ये लोग? कहां से आते हैं?
Is this the way you have been upbringing? Come on, tell me, क्या आपकी upbringing आपको ये बोलती है कि आप इस तरह से बात करोगे लोगों से? क्या आपने कभी देखा है कि जो लोग बॉडी शेमिंग के थ्रू गो थ्रू करते हैं उन लोगों को किस तरह के कमेंट्स आते हैं? Have you ever been through? I understand that you come from an LGBT community and that is completely fine. People are accepting now. It is going to take time for people to understand. We come from a different background. और इंडिया किसी को कॉपी नहीं करता है. Please understand. Do you know the history how America has come up or how any other country in the world has come up? No. There is always a reason behind coming up. Okay, there is a lot of efforts. India be thoughts wise, fashion wise, and in all the industry it is trying to come up. They are not copying anyone at all. और आपको इतनी शर्म आती है कि आप इंडिया में क्यों रह रहे हो? I really don't understand. Why don't you move in some other country? Just because it is a pandemic, I believe pandemic के बाद you should just try and move in some other country. Because आपको तो बहुत शर्म आती होगी क्योंकि आप इंडिया में रहते हो. आपको लोग पूछ रहे हैं कि आप कैसे सर्वाइव कर रहे हो. क्या आपने कभी सोचा है द गर्ल्स दोज हू गेट रेप्ड, जब वो फाइल करते कंप्लेन, हाउ दे गो थ्रू एवरीथिंग इन दिस कंट्री? हैव यू एवर हर्ड अबाउट इट? हैव यू एवर ट्राई टू नो अबाउट इट? क्या आपको ये पता है कि इफ़ अ वुमन गेट डिवोर्स्ड और इफ़ शी इज़ गोइंग थ्रू सेपरेशन, हाउ हर फैमिली पीपल ट्रीट देम? नो, हर इंसान को उसका दर्द दूसरे से बड़ा ही लगता है, एंड दिस इज़ नॉट द वे यू टॉक टू एनीवन. आप लोगों को एजुकेट कर रहे हो, किस तरीके से एजुकेट कर रहे हो? कम ऑन टेल मी. LGBT is a community and people have accepted them, and families भी आजकल broad minded होके people are accepting everything. You just have to give them a chance. You just have to try to make them understand. कुछ लोग हैं जो नहीं समझेंगे because they come from completely different upbringing. उनकी upbringing अलग थी, उनके टाइम पे ये सब कुछ नहीं होता था. Now we are broad minded and we have completely different thoughts about it, and I am sure in next few years हर कोई ये सारी चीज़ें legal and acceptable कर देगा. You just have to be patient. You do not have to chase your haters. Have you ever seen जिन लोगों को more than 3-4 millions, you know, they have followers, आपने कभी उनके comments पढ़े हैं? You don't know how they go through, but they don't come up and say, they don't do shaming of their haters. Okay, आपने haters को तो आप बोल ही रहे हो, उनकी upbringing को बोल रहे हो, उनके parents तक आप जा रहे हो. Come on, I don't think you have a right to do that, and you should never do that. I believe कि अगर आप किसी चीज़ के बारे में education दे रहे हो तो आप completely दो. So मैं आपकी तरह अनवांटेड चीज़ और अनवांटेड एजुकेशन नहीं दूँ. आई एम जस्ट गोना टेल पीपल कि आप लोग LGBT कम्युनिटी या इसके बारे में आपको जो भी डिटेल्स चाहिए, ठीक है, सो आप गूगल पे या क्रोम पर जाके सारी चीज़ें सर्च कर सकते हैं. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, so there are lesbians, there are homosexuals, there are bisexuals, there are gays, and there are transgenders. So there are a lot of people. Okay, कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं, they are completely normal, but they are trapped in a different body form, so they are not happy with it. They go for sex or gender change, and then, you know, according to their comfort zone and according to their willingness, they change their body and they change their hormones and everything. जो lesbians होते हैं, these are girls and they are attracted towards girls. Gay, they are men and they are attracted towards men, the same gender. Bisexual, these are people जो लड़के और लड़कियां दोनों के तरफ अट्रैक्ट होते हैं. So okay, and tomboys you could say they are girls but they are more like boys. So कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो tomboys होते हैं but they are attracted towards opposite gender, but कुछ ऐसे होते हैं that they are opposite, you know, they are attracted towards the same gender. So these are few details and this is nothing wrong. We live in a democratic country and आपके पास पूरा चॉइस है. यू हैव अ कंप्लीट चॉइस टू चूज वॉट एवर यू लाइक. यू डोंट हैव टू थिंक अबाउट 100 थिंग्स. देयर इज ऑलवेज अ फर्स्ट टाइम फॉर एवरीवन, फॉर एवरीथिंग. जस्ट बी वॉट यू आर. प्लीज डू नॉट pass such comments and do not degrade your country. Do not say that your country is copying everything. Do not say that your country is bad because you live in that country. You are getting followers in this country. People are supporting you in this country. So please be the same. You should never judge people. You should never comment on anyone. अगर आपके फॉलोअर्स बढ़ रहे हैं तो यू विल ऑल्सो गेन हेटर्स. यू कैन डू मेडिटेशन और मे बी योगा और एनीथिंग एल्स, और जस्ट आई गेस रील्स और अकाउंट पे यू गेट एन ऑप्शन जहाँ पे आप कमेंट्स बंद कर सकते हो. आई डोंट यू ट्राई दैट. अगर आपको इतना बुरा लग रहा है लोगों के कमेंट्स, आई अंडरस्टैंड कि कुछ लोग आपको प्रेज भी करते हैं, बट कुछ हेटर्स हैं जो आपको कंटिन्यूसली ये चीज़ें बोलेंगे, एंड यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. everything comes with a cost. So if you gain followers, you're gonna gain haters as well, जो आपको कमेंट्स तो पास करेंगे बट आपके वीडियोस भी देखेंगे. They are hating you not because they actually hate you. They are hating you because they can't be where you are. Understand? You have a talent, showcase your talent. Do not waste it on such stupid things. We do not judge you. We all are same. You have a complete right to choose any body type, any outfit, any sort of gender you want to fall in love with. Just be yourself. I guess that's all what I want to say, and I do not want to say anything else. I really like your videos. I watch them regularly. I watch them on repeat. You've got a really good talent. Please understand, do not do such kind of stupidity because it's gonna affect you. You might gain views, you might gain followers, but you will lose respect. Do not lose respect. So I guess that's all what I want to say, and thank you for watching this. I know that my content is all about fun and lifestyle, but reels and Facebook, Instagram, it's a part of fun, and I believe that you need to educate people. You also need to reply sometimes because it is very important that what people are learning out of it. And if you're learning something wrong, it is not good. You should always raise it. So I just wanted to raise my hand and say that I didn't like what was posted. If you also feel the same, do like, share, comment, and if you feel that I am the person who is correct and I know how to take a stand, please subscribe my channel for more such videos. I'm gonna come up with a lot of videos which is so it's gonna make your life more interesting, and it's gonna be fun. So tune into my channel, like, subscribe, the red button. See you for more. I believe you all should stay home, stay safe, and be